We want to graph two exponential function f of x equal 2 to the power x and function g of x equal 1/3 to the power x. We'll obtain these graphs by plotting the points and connecting them with a continuous curve. So the table of values for both functions is already made, is on the left. So now we'll just plot the points and see what curve we'll get. So for function 2 to the power x, we'll have the points -3 and 1/8, -2 and 1/4, -1 and 1/2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 8. The points form nice pattern, so connecting them with the continuous curve, we'll get the graph of that function. Notice that the values of y are going to be always positive because of the definition of 2 to the negative power, so the graph will always stay above the x-axis. However, the smaller value of x, or larger in size but negative, the smaller value of y is going to be. So this means that the line y equals 0 is a horizontal asymptote for this function. To graph function 1/3 to the power x, we'll proceed in the same way. We plot the points, connect them with the continuous curve. So the first point would have been -3 and 27, but it will not fit on our graph, so we'll move to the next one, -2 and 9. This point should be somewhere here. The point -1 and 3, point 0, 1, point 1 and 1/3, point 2 and 1/9, and point 3 and 1/27. Again, the pattern is evident, so we connect those points with a continuous curve. Again, you can notice that the graph is going to stay above the x-axis because the value of the exponents are going to be positive. So again, we can say that also that y equals 0 is a horizontal asymptote because the values of exponent when the x is increasing without bound are going to become smaller and smaller. These two graphs are typical exponential graph functions. The first one is the graph when the base of the exponent is greater than 1, and the second one when the base of the exponent is less than 1 and greater than 0. When the bases are in these intervals, then the graph of the function a to x is going to behave like 2 to the power x. The shape of the graph is going to be like 2 to the power x when a is greater than 1. And when a is between 0 and 1, the graph is going to be decreasing and behaving like the graph of the function 1/3 to the power x.